Hi, Doug Noll here, and in this video I'm sharing 3 key practices that will teach you how to control your emotions as a man. Now, if you're a woman, watch anyways, and my next video will be for you. So here's the thing. We are emotional beings, not rational beings. I know we've been taught for thousands of years that what makes humans different from other animals is rationality. Not true. As men, we have been lied to for thousands of years, in fact. We've been taught since childhood to keep a stiff upper lip. Don't show the pain. Be a rugged individualist. Don't feel emotions. Emotions make you weak. Emotions are evil. Emotions are irrational. Emotions are bad. And this is complete and utter bullshit. Think about it. Is it cool to get drunk to drown out your emotions? Is it manly to punch each other out in fits of rage? Is it fun to stuff your feelings down inside you until you die of heart disease? And why do we do this? Well, for one simple reason. It's all about emotional safety. The sad fact is that many men have never felt emotionally safe since they were 5 or 6 years old. And I had exactly the same experience until I went through my transformation. If you don't feel emotionally safe, you cannot control your emotions. No way. You cannot be present with the emotions of someone else. So, for example, if you're in the presence of a woman who's crying and it makes you upset and anxious and nervous and you don't know what to do, it's because you don't feel emotionally safe and you cannot be present for her. So the secret to controlling your emotions as a man is learning how to create emotional safety inside yourself so that you can create emotional safety around you. So here's the first step that we're going to cover in this video. You've got to learn to pay attention to the emotions around you, and they are everywhere, inside of you as well as in other people that are around you all the time and in the media. So watch a movie scene with the sound turned off and see how many emotions you can name. Here's an example. I'm going to put up a video clip, no sound, see how many emotions you can name in the 20 or 30 seconds of this clip. And you're going to see the obvious ones, but see if you can find the more subtle ones as well. Another exercise is to name the emotions in a radio spot. So here's an example. I'm going to play this spot for you and see how many emotions you can identify in this radio spot.
I thought fire ants would liven up a client presentation.
I told my son that the ice cream van only plays music when he's run out of ice creams.
I thought loft insulation would make a good anniversary gift.
I suggested we go to IKEA on the weekend.
I told a job interviewer my strengths were burping the alphabet.
Whether you're a fuzzyhead, a moaner or miffed, there's now a limited edition Snickers that fits your mood. Snickers, you're not you when you're hungry. In store now.
Another exercise is in public places, watch the emotions of people around you. So if you're in a park or a shopping mall or at a restaurant, just gently observe the people around you and guess at the emotions they're experiencing in the moment. Use this wheel of emotions to help you. Start with the basic emotions in the center and use those to guide you in watching the emotions of others and, more importantly, watching your own emotions. So we've got happy, surprised, bad, fearful, angry, disgusted, and sad. That's pretty good for starters. But then as you start to get more experience, you want to granularize your emotions by moving to the outside circle and start using those more refined descriptions of different kinds of feelings that you both observe inside yourself and you observe with others. So work with those, then move to the next ring. Over a period of weeks, you will naturally begin to develop emotional safety as you develop your own emotional self-awareness. And as you become comfortable reading emotions, there's a lot more to learn. So stay tuned to this channel. If you'd like a copy of The Circle of Emotions, email me at doug@dougnoll.com and I'll get right back to you. So who am I? My name is Doug Noll. I'm a lawyer turned peacemaker. I'm a best-selling author, speaker, trainer, and I'm a visionary. I'm co-founder of the Prison of Peace Project, where we train murderers to be peacemakers, and I'm dedicated to helping people just like you live fulfilled lives. I offer individualized training and coaching to a select group of clients, and if you'd like to set up a call to explore the possibilities, again, email me at doug@dougnoll.com. In the meantime, sign up for the Basic Emotional Competency course at https://dougnoll.co emotional-competency. And watch for my next video, which is going to be for the ladies, how to control your emotions as a woman. And guys, you're going to want to watch this one too. If you like this video, give me a like and subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you next time.